Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and I'm out here at the monthly backup gun match with what sort of was the backup gun for US troops in World War II. This is a Remington Rand M1911A1 manufactured in April of 1945. And I'm going to go ahead and see how I can do with it here out at the backup gun. So I'm in Big 5, so I'm starting with only 5 rounds in the magazine.
You only need 5. It's 45 ACP.
Yeah, I should be able to put 1 round into the dirt right there and have the shockwave blow down all 8 targets.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Two World Wars! Wow. That was embarrassing.
I think you need a couple more World Wars to...
Yeah, I think I do.
It's a practice.
Look, it's a 1911. It can be accurate or reliable, but not both at the same time. I am going to actually try for headshots on this one, so wish me luck. Ready?
Stand by.
Range is clear, 11 seconds.
All right, did I do it? So that's 6 out of 7. That's 7 out of 7. That one's 7. 7. 7. All right, I redeemed myself a little bit. It turns out it can be accurate and reliable, but only if you don't jerk the trigger on your every shot and shoot way low. We'll have to reload on this stage.
Stand by.
Yeah!
Right. Unload and show clear.
Down 1 there, down 1 right there.
Yeah.
So 40.
Yep, I was like, I counted 40, so...
40 out of 42 points, not too bad. All right, so I have the choice here of, do I go for 5 headshots with 5 cartridges for my 5-round mag, or do I plan a reload and dump a whole bunch of ammo and everything? And I think I'm gonna go for the optimal, the way that people think the 1911 was and ought to be used, which is 5 clean headshots.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by! Range is clear. Time is 10.
All right, 10 seconds. That's full score. That's full score. Yes. Just barely.
No.
Down 1 point. All headshots, 34 out of 35. I will take that. All right, so I feel like I got off to a pretty poor start with stage 1, but then really kind of redeemed myself a bit on 2, 3, and 4. I think my performance there was pretty decent. We'll see, well, you can now see how I did in the scores. Honestly, I think that poor, well, pitiful performance on stage 1 is gonna massively bring me down on the overall rankings, but it was a fun match. I will point out, totally stock, 1911, made in 1945, completely 100% reliable, absolutely no issues. And I think that's the standard. People have gotten, 1911s have gotten a reputation for unreliability based on guns that were completely worn out, and this one was not, and guns that have been tightened up for really, really, really accurate shooting, which if not done extremely well, extremely professionally, will cause them to be not nearly as reliable. So, This was a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.